Why it's like I've got a marching baton. Pass the baton! Okay, so I am really excited to cook this meal tonight, Vietnamese pancakes. So lots of yummy ingredients that you'd think of in Vietnamese food. We have limes, coriander, mint, some turmeric and chili. Now, although it looks like a lot of ingredients, because it is, it's going to be all mixed in one pot together. So it's actually very simple to cook once you find your ingredients. I'd start with the batter, mixing the ingredients together. So we have, this one's rice flour, but you can make it just as successfully with gluten-free plain flour. So into the bowl, tablespoon of turmeric. Now I actually grew and created this turmeric myself, but you can just go to the shops if you like. And then 2 tablespoons of chia seed to make some lovely colour. Once your dry ingredients are together, make a little well in the middle. I can always remember my home economics teacher saying that. Make a well and just add alternatively the milk and water. And then we're just going to mix those together. Keep adding the milk and water just until you've got a nice batter consistency. There we have the butter. It's quite pretty. So it's got a lovely golden colour because of the turmeric. And I'm going to put that in the fridge. Grab some coconut oil. So once the oil is hot, just test it, put a little bit of meat in. And once you've got that sizzling sound, you're ready to go. So as the mince is browning, add in your shallots. So 2 shallots finely sliced up, a teaspoon of chilli, bit of zing to it, and then a teaspoon and a half of the ginger. So once the mince has browned off somewhat, add your tablespoon of fish sauce. And believe it or not, this is the juice of 3 limes. They weren't very big limes. Oh, I wish the camera had a smelling button because it smells really good. Maybe I'm just really hungry. So I've cooked that for a further 2 minutes. We're going to remove that from the heat and just put aside. I found since pulling it out of the fridge that it was too thick. The chia seeds had soaked up too much liquid. So we've just added more milk. We've added a pinch of salt. And wish me luck with this. I have to try and get it as thin as possible. Watch how this bubbles up. It is super cool. I don't think it's a really big Vietnamese thing to flip the old whoops. Okay, fail. This certainly wasn't a quick recipe, but it was because of the cooking of the pancakes that took the longest time. So if you wanted to speed the process up, you could just use the iceberg lettuce leaves as the ingredient holder to eat from. But that, I think that looks really pretty. So we're going to, just on half of it, and a few mint leaves, put some capsicum. Oh, look at the colours, beautiful. And there you have your Fodmap friendly Vietnamese pancakes. Enjoy.